Today's Monday. We got 3 days till Turkey Day in Serbia. It's not easy to find turkey in Serbia. This place is like a Russian Costco. See? Russia. What do you got there? I had about 10 Serbs on a mission to find a 6 to 8 kilogram turkey. I found 18 kilogram turkeys, 19 kilograms, 20 kilograms, the stuff that's not gonna fit in a standard oven at your house. Found a 2.5 kilogram, that's too small. I gotta feed about 12 people. A little something for the pumpkin pie?
Yeah, I'm gonna get a few of them. I'm gonna get 3. Cowboy caviar, the beans, oh, look at some turkey. Turkey legs.
Just some emergency extra turkey?
Yeah. Then this is just a part of
Today. Yeah, this is just today's shopping. And some of this shit here. It's another day. What's this gonna be?
So this is gonna be the pumpkin pie and this is gonna be the sweet potato casserole.
Can't wait. Turkey! It's the day before Thanksgiving, and we're heading to the turkey farm.
Turkey farm.
Rumor has it there's a turkey who gave his life this morning.
So we can eat! With the cleaning, it's 3,800 people.
Samo jedan put se služila I... Stvarno, da. Oni bili mali, nisu...
Nice.
This stuffing is courtesy of my grandfather's recipe. Good job, vegetarian.
This is amazing.
Bianca, what are you thankful for?
For food and everyone around us.
All right. And I'm thankful Bianca learned how to cook.
And girl, when I said that you prepared the food for a fucking trophy, I didn't joke about it. I didn't fucking joke about it. So, this is for you right now! I'd like to thank God.
It says Bianca in Serbian.
Look at me like this.
The destruction. The destruction. Someone really likes turkey. Someone really likes turkey.
And this is is for you and for you and for you because you were like
Looks like very communist.
yes, you were like that is a building from Vršac.
It's a Vršac building. It's a, it's a
There is like a
building.
legend about that building, but it is not true. That is, we call it just the red building.
He reminds you of Bianca. Look at him sleeping.
You should take more.
This is homemade. This is homemade rakia.
It's like always
this
deal.
guy.
Always deal.
What fruit is it? What fruit did you make it with?
Take
You
more.
know? Is it plum?
Yeah.
Grape.
Grape,
Plum?
grape, 48 degrees.
Rub-a-dub-dub, thanks for the grub.
America. 0-0. Look at that candle.
I have my wishes already.
You have to go to the bathroom. Very
I gotta go to the bathroom.
Follow me.
Hello.
You make a wish?
I'll be right back. Yeah, I always have a wish.